taking it slow, won't work in time. Song is so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this Christmas. And let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year, I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his realize. Me walking barefoot in the San Diego snow. I wanna make you.
Welcome back to Vlogmas. If you didn't just see all of the clips, we just went to the mall, got a few things. Ryan really just wanted these advent calendars from this German food place that's in the mall because it's German chocolate and it's like the best. So we are heading over to Walmart because Ryan actually just needs something for his phone, I guess, for the car. I don't know. The outfit today is really cute. So I'm wearing this little hoodie from Arden, which I went in there in the mall just now. I love that store. Hoodie is Arden. So are the leggings. They're actually like this ribbed brown. I don't know, but it's really cute. And then I have this little brown puffer vest from TikTok shop. And I do have these like little Ugg type of boots on. So, and I also have my Lululemon bag. When we get home, I believe we'll just be putting laundry away and cleaning. No, we'll probably be watching a Christmas movie tonight again. But yeah, I figured I would take you guys along with the day just because I was supposed to go ice skating last night with a friend, but she was actually sick. Had to cancel plans. This morning I was supposed to go thrifting with a friend, but she had to cancel plans due to work. So Ryan and I just ended up going to the mall today just for fun and just to finish up some gifts that we have for people. We'll catch you back at home because we're doing a little bit of cleaning. Last night I did all of the laundry and editing, and then tonight, like I said, we'll be just cleaning, putting the laundry away, and I also have a bunch of editing to do. We are home. I just spent some time getting my video up for today's Vlogmas. Today is day 9. So I just made the thumbnail, the description, did the tags, whatever. Put that up, shouted it out on my Instagram story. So make sure you follow me over there so you don't miss out. Now I have Ryan bringing up all of the laundry that we did yesterday so that we could put it away. Let's get into it. Just seen, I folded everything, put them on their piles. Ryan usually puts them away when I'm done folding. It's just like a tag team effort. But right now I'm gonna fold the towels and put them away right away. I think once all of this laundry is put away, we're gonna vacuum the upstairs and then I'm gonna clean the bathroom as well. While I fold some towels, let me tell you guys a little bit about plans upcoming. Tomorrow I'm supposed to go take pictures with a friend at Blue Mountain, which is just a ski resort by my house. I feel like it would be perfect for the winter vibe because it hasn't snowed yet, thankfully. I don't really like the snow. I don't like the cold. I definitely belong in Florida, which is a whole nother thing. We're going to Blue Mountain tomorrow to take some photos for the winter vibe. Really hoping we can find like a good snowy area where we won't be in the way of people and that will still look that aesthetically pleasing winter vibe. I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear. I know last time me and her talked, we were thinking about coordinating outfits, doing like a pink and gray vibe, which I still really like the idea of. I'm gonna finish folding all of this. This is our bed sheet, and then I'm gonna put everything away, and I think Ryan is gonna vacuum up here while I clean the upstairs bathroom. And I usually take off like my sweatshirt just because I don't want to get bleach on it. I like to really like use bleach to get everything super clean. I'm in the bathroom. I'm gonna put my hair in this cute little fuzzy clip. It's like a Sherpa. It's so cute. I got it from the Dollar Tree actually. It was in one of my videos, one of the Vlogmas videos. Anyway, I have this cute little matching set on from Arden. I'm gonna clean this bathroom. I'm gonna deep clean the tub, the toilet, the sink. I'm just gonna take everything off the sink, everything off of the tub here. Let me show you. I have my nifty little ND tripod on here, so it's really easy for me to like just show you things. Take all the bottles down, put them in the tub, and then I'm gonna fill the tub a little bit with some soap and just let everything kind of like get clean. And then while that's happening, I'm going to spray on, love this. It's the Scrubbing Bubbles Foaming Bleach. So literally, I will just spray the entire shower with this and let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. It does get very strong smelling in here, so I'm gonna open the window, and I also lock the dogs out of here so they can't like catch the fumes. Also gonna use this to clean the sink area after I clear everything. So I had all of the bottles and stuff soaking. Pro tip, if you do that, make sure all the lids are on completely tight so that you don't lose any product or get them watered down. They are soaking and they should be good. I give them a little bit of a scrub while I'm rinsing them under the faucet. Did just wipe down all the bleach. I let it sit for like 5 minutes. I want to tackle the sink last. Well, let's keep going. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I closed the bathroom door so the dogs couldn't come in because of the fumes. And I literally, like, my eyes are burning right now. Like, I needed to air out to the bathroom. I usually have Ryan stay downstairs with the dogs while I clean that bathroom, and I leave the door open. I open the window for safety. But Ryan was vacuuming with the dogs out there, so I was like, all right, I'm just gonna close the door, it's gonna be fine. Don't do that. I am now just chilling downstairs for a minute. Opened the window all the way, turned on the fan, things like that. It's airing out right now. As soon as it's done airing out, I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna clean off the entire sink area, reorganize, clean, wipe down the mirror. All right, I'm at the sink area. It's quite a mess. I just start to try to put things away. We do have like an organized closet where there's like a lotion bin, there's like a hair bin. Gather all of the things, put them somewhere for now safely. Like we have candles here. Anyway, I'm just gonna gather all this stuff and get it out of my way completely. All right, so it's cleaned off. You're gonna just spray this and let it sit for like literally 3 minutes, I think. This is the stuff that I use to clean the mirror. Foaming Action Glass and Surface Cleaner. Like a foam, and you just spray it on the mirror. And I take a microfiber cloth and I just kind of move it in the right direction. I'm gonna grab some paper towels and I'm gonna start wiping down the surface. It might have not been 3 minutes, but it is very fumey in here, so I just kind of want to clear it up. You can see everything kind of wipes off really easily. I'm gonna take this little cleaner here, it's a little bit gentler, and I'm gonna go over it because I don't want like that crazy bleach everywhere all the time. So I'm just gonna use this, and I'm gonna do like a quick wipe down again just so it's super clean. Sometimes I do take stuff all off and I'll like rinse the bottles, I'll clean the shelves, but everything is looking pretty good right now because I did that not too long ago. I'm just gonna kind of reassemble things the way that I want them to be. That is the sink area. I think it looks pretty good. Everything else kind of found its home back in the closet where it belongs. Okay, we're back downstairs. The first thing I always do when I clean down here is fix the couch because the dogs jump up on it and things just get crazy. Everything else is honestly pretty organized down here. There's a few things I can put away, and Ryan said he'll do the dishes. What a goat. Once everything is kind of organized and picked up, I will vacuum and mop real quick. Just a real quick vac and mop, you know? Last step to making the couch nice is some Febreze fabric spray, especially the Gain one. My favorite one because it smells like fresh laundry. Okay, just like that. Couch is all nice, put together, you know. Now it is time for me to just go around and like organize some stuff, and then I will show you guys vacuuming, mopping. Plus, stick around to the end because I have a little haul. I'm really excited. Okay, I just got done mopping in the living room. The Dyson actually died when I got done vacuuming in the living room, so I didn't get to the kitchen yet. So I figured while that charges, I could mop in this room and then also give you guys a little haul that I have from the mall earlier. First, I talk about this place all the time, but I love Arden. I'm literally wearing an entire outfit from Arden today. They had some good deals in there again today, which is why I love them. They have like trendy, cute, high quality things for like really good prices. I figured since my New York City trip is coming up next weekend, I would get a few pieces to accessorize some of the outfit ideas I have. First up is this really fuzzy, gorgeous gorgeous scarf that's just red, which if you didn't know, if you're not like the Instagram type of girly, red is the color right now. Everyone is using pops of red. This would be a really good pop of color to go with like a cute jacket or something. So you'll have to stay tuned for that because I'm sure that I'm gonna do a vlog like styling outfits for New York City. But isn't she cute? She was originally $20. It was half off today, so only 10. The other thing I got this time were these really cute like knit mittens, and I thought how cute would this be with like some earmuffs or something and the scarf. Like how cute would that vibe be? So I had to get these. These were originally $15, so they were only like $7. Such a good deal. So Bath & Body was having a sale where their body care, like the full-size body care items were only $5. So we did get Ryan's mom a few things for Christmas, so I already put them by the tree, but Ryan got me some because I've been needing like a restock, and they have this new scent I am literally obsessed with. It is the Luminous scent, okay? So scent literally to me smells like the black opium from YSL. Now I could be wrong, but to me, that's what it smells like. I got the body wash. I also love like the packaging, the branding they have with this. It's so like Christmassy and luxurious. I got the body spray too. And look at the like top cap. None of them look like this except for this one. And I love that. It looks so like gorgeous. Why does it remind me of Beauty and the Beast? This is the Diamond Shimmer Mist. So it's literally like this mist that makes you sparkle. So I was thinking for the birthday pictures, my idea was to get like a really good self tan going and then spray this all on me and like get some flash photos. I feel like this would look so good. I'll have to stay tuned for those too. Lastly, I did get 2 of the lotions. This is the body butter one. It says Glotion body butter. It's just like a thicker version of this, but this is kind of like the lotion I would put on like daily. This one's the one I put on like overnight if my skin's super dry. Anyway, so this is the Ultimate Hydration Body Butter. Something fun came in the mail today in PR. I did post this on my story on Instagram, so to go follow me on there if you don't, because I post every single day. I love to share like behind the scenes type of stuff on there as well. If you can't really see it, can you? It says, your reminder to self-care has arrived, Static Nails. I do get PR from Static Nails sometimes, and I love them. They're such a great brand, and I love the nails. Let me show you them. This is their iconic collab with the Mean Girls movie. Firstly, we have the I'm Not a Regular Mom, I'm a Cool Mom set. It says, shine light on me, loser, because they literally like glow. So pretty. They're just these like hot, light pink, sparkly, like oval almond shaped type of manicure. I love these. I'm also gonna use at least one of these sets for my birthday nails. I'm excited. Next ones are the She Doesn't Even Go Here set. These are just like a really light pink. I don't know if you guys can see the difference between these two. My lighting is literally awful right now. I'm so sorry. But yeah, these are lighter than this. So these are more like a hot light pink, and these are more of just like a light pink. I thought these are really cute, same shape and everything. We have these. I really like the shape of these. These are more like pointed at the tip. This is the Honorary Plastic nail set. They're just like a French tip basically, which you guys know I'm a sucker for French tips. Thank you, Static Nails. Okay, that is it for the little haul that I had for you guys. We are watching 4 Christmases with Vince Vaughn and Reese Witherspoon. I've never seen this one, surprisingly, and I love it so far. So this is your sign to go watch it. I also just posted a reel today on Instagram listing some of my favorite Christmas movies, and you probably haven't heard of some of them. So you should go ahead and look at that post, possibly save it, because then you can come back later and watch the movies. Cozy on the couch right now. We're just gonna watch this movie. I'm gonna edit, and then we're pretty much gonna go to sleep. But I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas vlog. Bye!